Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we're at our WhatsApp messaging app or our Builderall Zap tool. And we're going to be seeing on how to connect your WhatsApp and send messages to whoever you would like. So first, once you click on the tool, it's going to bring you to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see a little overview of your account. For example, the messages waiting to be sent, the messages waiting to be resent, posted this month, uploaded today, your errors, and your errors this month. And over here, if you had any messages already sent, they would show up over here. Next up, we have the messenger, and just read this carefully because you do not want your number banned. So once you're here, just read the terms of service if you want to use this. You can click continue. And this is just a little messenger for WhatsApp. You can put the cell phone number and write the message over here. This is more of a quicker way. Next up, we're going to have settings. And over here is where you want to verify authentication for your WhatsApp. This is basically just as you would do it for your WhatsApp web. You would want to click over here and just follow these on your phone over here, just as you would set up WhatsApp web. Once you're in your phone, you can click authenticate and the QR code is going to show up. You can scan it with your phone just like I just did and it will automatically log in. Once you did that, you can click ready. And your phone will be connected. It is going to say keep your phone connected. Once it's connected, you can start sending your text messages. I'm just going to send it one right here. And just keep in mind that the phone number needs to be like this, like the example. If you forget some spacing, it will not work. So just put the +1 for United States and the number. The message is going to be, hello, this is a test. And we're going to send. Once you click on send, it is going to appear over here on the message queue, the ID, the phone number, the message, and its status, and the date. We can see in the status it says waiting, because it's waiting to be sent. It's probably processing. It takes a little bit. We just refreshed, and we're going to go to WhatsApp web, so you guys can see my message that I just sent. And as you guys can see, we're here on the WhatsApp web. And my message was sent at 3:57. And as you guys can see, our message was sent at the time that we sent. It was 3 minutes ago when we sent it. And it shows over here, hello, this is a test. And this is pretty much how you guys set up and send your messages through WhatsApp. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.